Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a great mask that you use for solving so many skin problems like black spots, scars. It will help you to tighten your skin pores. So stay tuned. To make this secret facial mask, I'll be making use of egg. I'll be using the egg white. Egg white is so good for the skin because it will help to remove excess dirt, oil, and dead skin cells. It also helps to shrink your pores. So I'm going to whisk the egg to mix properly. The full ingredient that I'll be using is 1 tablespoon of coffee. Coffee will help in stimulating blood flow. It will reduce acne. It is also rich in antioxidants, which will help to kill dead skin cells and make our skin smooth and brighter. So I'm going to mix to combine. I'll be adding cornstarch to this facial mask. Cornstarch contains vitamin A, iron, calcium, which are responsible for skin cell renewal. So cornstarch is good in reducing dark spots. So I'm going to mix properly. So I'm going to add half teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil will help to moisturize the skin, prevent appearance of scars, and it's also good for treating fine lines and wrinkles. So I'm going to mix until well combined. Apply on a clean washed face, hand, neck, and wait for it to dry completely. When the mask has dried, you can feel the tightening of the skin. This mask will help to tighten your skin, prevent wrinkles, smooth your skin, and also moisturize and brighten your skin. You can wash off using cold water, then moisturize your skin. For effective results, use this at least 2 times a week and also eat healthy. You will see a great result. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.